Over 2 big nights the streets will burn bright with a free family-friendly festival of fire, art, music and culture. From 9 p.m. each night, 50+ performers will light up the night, with a party of wonder and delight. Indigenous performances, fire artists, acrobats, contortionists, musicians and much more take the stage across Exchange Place, Mercantile and Shipwright Walks and Scotch Road. Indigenous Sunset Dance. Traditional First Nations dance performance with Matthew Doyle and dancers, Exchange Place 5 p.m.
1, 2. Then you stand it up, and you grab that poker, paint it on your body, painting it on, and then double milli, grab your last 3 claps to finish. 1, 2, 3. Pretty simple. Have a go if you want, you don't have to. But gentlemen are going to be doing the dance for us up the front too, so follow with them as you will. Okay, next one we're going to do, we're going to perform a dance called a spirit dance. Can everyone say gooin? I can't hear you. Gooin. Gooin. Okay, I didn't realise we had an audience. Now I do. We've got an audience. Wonderful. Gooin is a spirit. So spirits don't have bones and they move a little bit differently. And they come and sneak up on people. But it's not a bad or an ill-intentioned spirit. It's one of those spirits that just likes to play jokes, play tricks on people. If you're walking in the bush and you've got that kind of feeling like I feel like there's something looking at me, you feel like there's another presence there, might be a gooing spirit. Gooing spirits ensure that you're not going to the wrong places in the bush, but also gooing spirits play an important role in making sure that spirits pass on from one place to the next. So if they find they're sneaking up on someone, or if they're sneaking up on a spirit, another spirit, and go, you're not supposed to be here, then they'll help those spirits and help those energies move on to the next place. Gooing. Gooing. Everyone gooing? Going over, going over, going over, Look at this. But look at this. And you'll see the chorus. Waganga, 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 waganga. Walk, 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 walk. Waganga, 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 waganga. Waganga, 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 waganga. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Waganga, 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 walk, 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 walk again. Walk, 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 walk. Waganga, 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 waganga. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk.
They carry law, protocol, and business within those. So those songs and dances can't be changed or altered or muck around it. So we can pass on our knowledge and our connection back to Mother and the creation properly down the generations. But for this one here, it gives the boys a chance to show off, show their different styles, and hopefully, impress the ladies. So this one, what am I?
Thank you.